Looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch packed with premium features? Say hello to the Amazfit Bip 6, your ultimate fitness partner with GPS, AI-powered tools, Bluetooth calling, and a stunning AMOLED display. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll notice about the Bip 6 is its large 1.97-inch AMOLED display. It's bright, vibrant, and super responsive, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With a sleek 46mm body and lightweight design, it's comfortable enough to wear all day long, whether you're working out or working at your desk. This isn't just a fitness tracker. It's a full-fledged smart companion. You get built-in GPS with free maps, Bluetooth calling and texting, and even AI-powered features to enhance your daily life. Need directions while running? No problem. Want to take a quick call while walking? Just tap and talk? And the best part? It has over 140 workout modes, so whether you're into yoga, swimming, or high-intensity training, the Bip 6 has you covered. Health is wealth, and the Bip 6 gets it. You've got 24/7 heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, stress management, and detailed sleep analysis, all synced through the Zepp app. It helps you stay on top of your goals with smart insights and personalized suggestions. It's like having a mini wellness coach on your wrist. Battery life? Absolutely amazing. You get up to 14 days on a single charge depending on your usage. And yes, it's 5 ATM water resistant. So go ahead, swim, shower, or get caught in the rain. The Bip 6 won't quit on you. For the price, the Amazfit Bip 6 offers insane value. A beautiful display, excellent battery life, fitness and health tracking, smart features, and reliable performance. If you're looking for a smartwatch that delivers big without breaking the bank, this might just be your perfect match. Let us know what you think about the Amazfit Bip 6 in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart tech reviews. Thanks for watching.